I too faced the challenge of persistent update, download failures, and corrupted pre-install files, spending considerable time finding solutions. After extensive testing, I've gathered multiple effective methods to solve these common PC issues, and I am excited to share them with you right now. This video will show you exactly how to fix update download failed and pre-install file corrupt error for good. First, we tackle corrupted download caches. Imagine your computer's memory for downloads getting a bit messy. Clearing it out gives your system a fresh start, allowing updates to download without old, broken data getting in the way. Next, we address hard drive health. Sometimes the physical storage itself has tiny problems, like bad spots that can damage new files as they arrive. Checking your disk helps mend these areas, ensuring your update files land safely and correctly. Then consider your security software. Occasionally your antivirus might be a bit overprotective, seeing new update files as a threat and blocking or altering them. Temporarily pausing it lets the update complete its process unhindered. Finally, we look at your internet connections pathways. If your computer struggles to find the right server for downloads, or if the connection itself is unstable, files can get damaged. Resetting your network settings and clearing your internet's address book helps your PC connect cleanly, ensuring smooth, error-free downloads every time.